Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to understand what are aggregate functions in SQL. An aggregate function allows you to perform a calculation on large volumes of data to return a single scalar value as an output. Aggregate function operates on sets of rows and returns result based on the groups of rows. We often use aggregate functions with the group by order by statements, and we also use along with where clause and having clause of the select statement. So what are the list of aggregate functions we have in SQL? Average. It gives the average value of the column in the table. We have count. Count gives the number of rows in the column of a table. What is minimum? The minimum function gives the minimum value of the column in my table. And maximum, the maximum value will give the maximum value of column in my table. Sum, the sum will give the total values of the column in my table. Now let us see how these aggregate functions work in SQL Server. I have a table called bonus. Let us execute and show you. I have a table called bonus with the columns worker reference ID, name, salary, bonus amount, and bonus date. Let us see how minimum function works here. I have select minimum of the column salary as lowest salary. I have given alias name. I want the column name as lowest salary from the table bonus. Let us execute this query. Now we have got the minimum salary as the lowest salary from the table bonus. The minimum salary from the table bonus is 35,000. Let us run both the queries. Sorry, queries. You can see the minimum salary from my table is 35,000 in the second row. Now let us see what is the maximum salary. Have Select the maximum of the salary column as highest salary from the table bonus. Let us execute this query. The highest salary from the table bonus is 60,000. Now let us see how count will work. It should give the count of number of rows in the column salary from the table bonus. I have total 6 rows in my table bonus. Now let us see how average will work. Select average of the column bonus amount as average value from the table bonus. Let us execute this query. The average value of the table bonus is 4,250. Let us see what is the sum of the column bonus amount from the table bonus. It will give the total sum. It will add all the rows of the column bonus amount, and the total sum of the column bonus amount is 25,500. Suppose let us run all the 5 queries at a time. I have all the aggregate functions. The lowest salary from the table is 35,000. The highest salary is 60,000. And the count of salaries, I have total 6 records from the table bonus. And what is the average value of the column bonus amount from the table bonus is 4,250, and the sum of bonus amount from the table is 25,500. These how the aggregate functions work. Now let us see how aggregate functions work with where condition. Now I have selected, I want the count of salary as count salary from the table bonus, and I am giving a where condition where the salary is greater than 40,000. Let us execute this query and let us see the table select star from bonus. Let's execute both the queries at a time. See, I have total six rows in my table, and I have give selected the count of salary from the table bonus where salary is greater than 40,000. Total I have three rows where the salary is greater than 40,000. Now let us see how we can group do it by group by and order by with aggregate functions. I have a query. I have selected the columns name, comma salary, and the count of the column bonus amount from the table bonus. And here I have given the group by statement. I want group by with columns name and salary, and I have given by order by with the count of column bonus amount. Let us execute this query. Displayed it is this grouped by the name column and salary column, and it was given the count of the bonus amount. Now let us see how it works with group by and average function. Have selected average of the column bonus amount, comma column salary from the bonus table, and I want it to group by salary column. Let us execute this query. Totally, I have six rows in my table. It was given grouping by salary and average of the column bonus amount. Now let us see how to give by group by and order by for the aggregate function sum, and I have given the order by statement with descending order. Let us select this query and execute. See, I have got the bonus amount column in descending order. And now let us see how to use having clause along with group by. Have selected the column name, and I want the sum of the column salary from the table bonus, and I want it to group by with the column name, and I am using having clause with the salary is greater than or equal to 40,000 from my table. Let us execute this query. As given, grouped by the names column, and given the salary whose salary is greater than or equal to 40,000 from my table. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.